How to delete all your TikTok comments. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can delete all your TikTok comments. So make sure that you have installed the latest version of TikTok by simply going on the Google Play Store. On the top search bar you can simply search for TikTok and then see if there is any update option available. Since there is no update option available, let's just open it. So after opening the TikTok, go on your profile, which is on the down bar. After that, you now need to go on the setting option. Scroll down and down up until you see the option of report a problem. Tap on report a problem option. Now you can simply report your problem of TikTok. Now report the problem that you have of TikTok comment not being shown, and then you can simply send it. Again, tap on report. So you can simply tap on chat with us as well, and then send what you need help with, and it will give you feedback likewise. And if we need to report something that's not helping here, then you can simply go on report anyway option and then report your problem. So that is how you can do that. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment in the comment section below.